स्वरा भास्कर ने कहा है कि इतिहास से छेड़छाड़ की गई है इस फिल्म को बनाने के लिए। इस फिल्म का सच्चाई से कोई लेना देना नहीं है।
The new entrant to this Aurangzeb fan club.
How can you even have a soft viewpoint for a man who killed his own brother, beheaded his head, Tara Shikoh and handed it over to his father? उसके फादर ने कहा था तुमसे अच्छे तो हिंदू हैं। उस व्यक्ति को आप आज डिफेंड कर रहे हैं, मतलब कितना गिरेंगे हम लोग। These out of work actors, this out of work actress who's married to a out of work politician, by the way, a match made in heaven. You remember they visited Maulana Sajjad Nomani just before the Maharashtra elections. The same Maulana Sajjad Nomani who said Karbala ka antim yudh abhi baki hai. Who said Taliban, I am in favor of Taliban. Women should not be educated. This is the kind of mindset we have. I mean, how woke dumb have some people gotten? Pranesh, I can't hold my words here.
और अब इस ट्वीट को डिफेंड करने के लिए सारे लोग आ गए हैं और उसके सपोर्ट में। इनमें से एक भी आदमी निकल के ऐसा नहीं आया जिसने ये कहा हो कि हाँ भाई स्वरा भास्कर ने गलत बोला है, उसे अपने बोले हुए शब्दों पर माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए या फिर उसे रिग्रेट होना चाहिए, बल्कि ये उसको डिफेंड कर रहे हैं और उसको सही बता रहे हैं। पर इस डिबेट के अंदर एंकर ने इन सबको एक एक करके लाइन से धो दिया। और क्या कुछ हुआ इस डिबेट के अंदर, आइए चलिए देखते हैं।
Akbaruddin Owaisi brothers fame. He'd gone to, offer his prayers to Aurangzeb. When his party leaders were asked, they said, look, this is an ASI protected monument, so we will go. अब मैं आपको बताता हूं सर, देखिए क्या बोला AIMIM के लीडर्स ने। AIMIM लीडर गुफरान नूर, 9th January 2022, we need a Mughal emperor like Babur. There was a poster of AIMIM that had the title Ghaziyon ki Dharti. This was in Uttar Pradesh. Now, this is the mindset. Atikur Rahman. Who are these people, sir, who come out in defense of Aurangzeb? Why should we not call them the Aurangzeb fan club?
You may try to call as you wish, Pranesh, but it's not a fan club. What I see as per their tweets, what I see is they are trying to equate the bigotry of Aurangzeb with the bigotry of the UP Chief Minister and the BJP.
Oh, so bigotry of Aurangzeb? No. This is you have to, sir. I must salute you. I mean, it really takes so much to say what you've said. You are comparing Yogi Adityanath to Aurangzeb, Atikur Rahman, and you call yourself Islamic scholar. Really?
Both are parallel. Both are equal. There is no difference between.
कुछ भी. Let me bring in Kamruzaman Chaudhary. Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, how shameful that till 2023 there was a road named after Aurangzeb in the heart of the national capital.
Yeah, Pranesh, you must understand, if you are discussing today about the film Chhawa and the impact that is having on the mindset of we people who are debating tonight and the people who are watching us, I can only say this is a simple oversimplification of the historical events and fact. Because any film that is made in the current political climate, it runs the risk of being influenced by contemporary narratives, no doubt about it. But the Chhawa film that you are discussing tonight, I have not seen it. But the fact is that it aligns too closely with the current nationalist rhetoric, and it must serve as a propaganda rather than a historical storytelling. Why I am saying this? During those Mughal times, it was all about transcending their own geographical boundaries. If the Mughals had Hindus as allies, they had got Muslims also. Likewise, Shivaji or Shambhaji had got Hindus and Muslims alike as their allies. So the point out here that you are trying to oversimplify the entire film.
Listen, Mr. Chaudhary, I am not trying to I am not trying to oversimplify anything. 1 minute. The film is only an opportunity for our viewers to see the real faces of the likes of Atikur Rahman. He is the new entrant to this Aurangzeb fan club.
History.
I can't believe what he said. Compared Aurangzeb with Yogi Adityanath. When I asked you a direct question, Kamruzaman Chaudhary, about the Aurangzeb road, Then you say, I have not seen the film. This is not about film, sir. This is about history. This is what Aurangzeb did. He was a tyrant. You can't have monuments named after him, not a road named after Aurangzeb. Imagine if US plans a road on Osama bin Laden. Because it happened. He flew a plane. He planned everything. The towers came down. People were killed. He was a great strategist. Let's name a road after Osama bin Laden. Karan.
So Pranesh, at the outset, I am absolutely aghast at what Mr. Atikur Rahman has just said. And I want to ask him directly, how can he compare Aurangzeb, the man who ordered the killing of our Guru Tegh Bahadur on 24th November 1675 at Sirsa Chowk, beheaded him. How can you compare him with a democratically elected Yogi Adityanath of today? How dare you do that? And he is the same man, Pranesh, who by his own accounts, अभी कमरू जमान जी ने कहा, agendas, leave all agendas aside, leave all films aside. कमरू जमान जी, इनके खुद के chronicler, जिसने लिखी है मसीरे आलमगिरी, साकी मुस्तैद खान, who was his own Sipe-Salar. What does he write? And I'm quoting now from Jadunath Sarkar's book. In chapter 32, page number 193, he elaborates on how they've captured, tortured and executed Sambhaji. मतलब खुद बोल रहे हैं, he is wearing it as a badge of honor. How can you even have a soft viewpoint for a man who killed his own brother, beheaded his head, Tara Shikoh and handed it over to his father? उसके फादर ने कहा था तुमसे अच्छे तो हिंदू हैं. उस व्यक्ति को आप आज डिफेंड कर रहे हैं, मतलब कितना गिरेंगे हम लोग? एक एजेंडा आगे बढ़ाने के लिए do we want to be in complete denial of facts? Here was a barbarian who imposed jizya, killed millions of Hindus, wore it as a badge of honor, destroyed temples. I mean, where have we resorted to, Pranesh? These out-of-work actors, this out-of-work actress who's married to a out-of-work politician, by the way, a match made in heaven. You remember they visited Maulana Sajjad Nomani just before the Maharashtra elections. The same Maulana Sajjad Nomani who said Karbala ka antim yudh abhi baki hai. Who said Taliban, I am in favor of Taliban. Women should not be educated. This is the kind of mindset we have. The same woman who cheered on, said Yahya Sinwar, the man who ordered killing of babies. Women, Palestinians, even Palestinians themselves, she cheered on and said he's a revolutionary hero. I mean, how woke dumb have some people gotten? Pranesh, I can't hold my words here. This is wokeism gone berserk.
Atikur Rahman, sir, did you mean what you said? Was it a slip of tongue? Do you want to revise what you said?
I repeat, we have no love for a bigoted ruler like Aurangzeb. May I repeat it now? Equally, I would say that what Aurangzeb did in the absence of a constitution in his hand, Yogi and BJP are doing in the presence of the constitution. They are killing my Hindu brothers and sisters in a Mahakumbh. And
Yogi is killing people in Mahakumbh. Atikur Rahman, 1 minute. Yogi Adityanath is killing people in Mahakumbh. He is killing people in Mahakumbh. Atikur Rahman.
देखा आपने, ये कह रहे हैं कि योगी ने महाकुंभ के अंदर लोगों को मार दिया है. कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, बेतुका और बेहुदा.
सर थोड़ा सोच तो लीजिए सर. एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट. Had you injected a Pak angle here, it would have made sense. The Yogi is getting someone else to kill someone in someone else's state. He is the chief minister, sir. Just add 2 and 2. Why would he, bring himself a bad name?
What I am going to tell you is that I was just thinking the importance of being a Swara Bhaskar. One tweet and we are 8 people and the millions of viewers are discussing about that.
It's not about it's not about this person, this out of work actor. I didn't even name the actor. You are naming it. Okay. No, 1 minute, sir.
I am naming
this
it.
is not about one individual. Ravi Srivastava, sir, this is about a mindset. It keeps coming. You see, Owaisi went to tomb of Aurangzeb.
You are showing it, brother. I am not showing it. You are showing her picture and you are showing her tweet. You are showing.
Sir, I am showing other things also. आप नजर आपकी कहीं और जा ही नहीं रही है.
You have asked for the specific contest. That specific contest that
why should people glorify when someone says
this is in the tweet only?
Ravi Srivastava, 1 minute. Sir, answer a simple question. Fictionalized torture of Hindus, इसका क्या मतलब है, sir?
I will tell you. Every book, epic. First of all, I have not seen the film. I don't see the violent.
This is
films.
not about the film.
Listen. I'm just telling you that picture Chhawa, from where you have picked up your story. I'm just asking you that all pictures, right in the beginning, it is written, these pictures are based on certain stories, and some of the fictional element is being added by the director or the producer. So what is great in it? She has only written that a fictionalized.
अब आपने देखा इस डिबेट के अंदर इन सब ने बोला, लेकिन किसी ने भी उस बात को डिफेंड नहीं किया, और ऊपर से इस बंदे ने ये तक बोल दिया कि योगी ने महाकुंभ के अंदर लोगों को मरवाया है। और ये लोग औरंगजेब को ऐसे जस्टिफाई कर रहे हैं जैसे भैया ये उस खानदान से हों। भाई हमारे देश का कोई भी मुसलमान औरंगजेब के खानदान का नहीं है, तो मत डिफेंड करो उसको, वो गलत है तो गलत है। पता नहीं हमारे देश के लोग कब समझेंगे ये चीज़ें। चलो फिर मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद जय भारत, ध्यान रखना अपना।